How to delete multiple pages in Word Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple pages in Word for Mac. If you would like to know how to delete just one page, I have another link in the description on how to do that. If this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. As you can see here, I have 26 pages. In this video, I'm going to delete pages 5 through 25. To get started, hit the Edit tab in the top left corner, scroll over Find, and Advanced Find and Replace. Click Go To. From there, enter the name of the first page you want to get deleted and click Go To. Word should take you to the page you just typed in. Take your mouse cursor and click the first word at the beginning of the page. You will need to hit F8. If you're on a MacBook Pro, you'll want to hold down the Fn key and then press F8. Do this once. Because I want to delete pages 5 through 25, we're going to go back to the Go To tab, and we're actually going to type 26. And the reason for this is because when we type that page and hit enter, it will bring you to the beginning of that page. So therefore, by going to the beginning of page 26, it will automatically select everything through page 25. Now that everything is selected, click on your document and hit the backspace or delete key, and all of the pages will be deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.